I'd like to talk to you today about this pack of cruise luggage tags. So what you get is a set of 5, and now you can buy them in larger quantities as well. So I want to talk to you about what you get in the package. So now you can buy this in a set of 5. I purchased mine in a set of 5, but you can purchase them in a larger quantity. And they are a clear, heavy plastic, and it has that zip top on the front, as well as this grommet that is secure. And then you receive this type of closures, and I'm going to show you how they work. So every cruise line is going to require you to use this type of a luggage tag because they make your luggage tags printable now. And so you get your luggage tag, and now each cruise line makes them a little bit different, but they're basically all the same, and they will fit in this type of a package. So you print out your luggage tag, and then you fold it, and as you can see, it folds right in there. So now visible, your cabin number will be on here, and it's very visible to get your luggage to where it needs to be. So what you get is one of these. So you're going to take this and loop it around your handle of your luggage, and then you're going to take them and stick that end right in there, and then twist this closed like so. It just winds until it doesn't wind anymore, and now you have a nice secure luggage tag to put on your suitcase, and they will work perfectly. They're well made, and I think they'll be just fine for your next cruise. Now you're all set for your next cruise, and that is just my honest opinion.